Want to hide your followers and following list on Instagram, whether it's for privacy or personal reasons? I'll show you exactly how to do it in this quick step-by-step tutorial. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important detail. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings and Activity. Scroll down to the section called Who Can See Your Content and tap on Account Privacy. Here, go ahead and turn on the Private Account toggle. Confirm your decision if prompted. Once your account is private, people who don't follow you won't be able to view your followers or following list anymore. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now, here's an extra step. Your current followers can still see your lists. If you want to hide it from specific people, go back to your profile, tap on followers, and remove anyone you don't want seeing that info by tapping the remove button next to their name. Once your account is set to private and you've removed any unwanted followers, your followers and following lists are now hidden from the public and limited to only those you allow. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.